Phoenix Technologies presents FirmGuard, the ultimate remote BIOS security solution. Are you an MSP? How do you manage and protect the BIOS or firmware in your client's endpoints? FirmGuard is a cloud-based firmware cybersecurity product targeted at the MSP and enterprise market. It is hosted in AWS. The FirmGuard cloud server has a connection to each managed endpoint. MSP administrators and technicians manage all activity via a single pane of glass, the MSP portal. FirmGuard features are broken out into 3 logical categories: measure, manage, and mitigate. There are 10 discrete secure features. The first measure feature, Secure Check, which validates the chain of trust between the endpoint's hardware, firmware, and OS. The next feature is Secure Beat, which maintains a heartbeat between the endpoint and the FirmGuard cloud server. Secure Sense provides real-time metadata. The first managed feature shown is Secure Key, which provides firmware-based MFA, followed by Secure Config, which facilitates remote BIOS configuration. Next, Secure Update, which enables remote BIOS update. The final managed feature, Secure Builder, provides automation and workflow management. The mitigate features are Secure Clone, Secure Lock, and Secure Wipe, which allow an administrator to back up the contents of the endpoint, lock access, and forensically wipe the endpoint. FirmGuard is the ultimate remote BIOS security solution from Phoenix Technologies, the original independent firmware vendor with over 1 billion units installed. To begin your remote BIOS security journey, visit www.firmguard.com today.